everybody, Dale and Leanna here from Moments of Adventure, and we just finished up a week in Sturgis, and the question this time was, could we have fun in Sturgis when we couldn't ride a motorcycle?
Let's find out. So I think you need to explain to the audience why exactly you were not on a motorcycle.
All right, so those of you who have been watching our channel for a little bit, so I hurt myself being tackled by this huge linebacker dude on the cruise that we took last winter. And long story short, I tore a labrum. They had to fix it. Now I'm on another 6 months of recovery. And so I can't do anything fun yet, per doctor's orders. But that doesn't stop me from getting out there and having some fun and doing the best that we can. So the best that we can do this week is to go to the Sturgis rally and see if we can have fun and when you're not riding.
Yeah. So one of the things that we did is we actually bought a bus pass. It's
Da
called
bus.
Da Bus.
The bus.
Little expensive. It was $80 for the whole week, but that's cheaper than a DUI. It was a good experience. The bus ran every half hour, got us from our campground to downtown Sturgis, and then you could pick up another bus and take you if you wanted to go somewhere else, such as Full Throttle, Deadwood, Spearfish.
Also, Mother Nature helped us out this week because it rained a lot. So there were several days that we wouldn't have ridden a motorcycle even if I could have because of the rain.
Yeah, not that we're too much of a fair weather rider, but it was a lot of rain. There were a lot of folks not riding.
It's been raining in Sturgis for 2 days now. But it's not stopping our fun. 83rd annual, this will be known as the Year of the Rain.
Yeah, there's a lot of rain. Put a damper on a few things. So what are some of the things we did?
Well, we did go back to the Knuckle, which is in downtown Sturgis, for their steak tips. And we did have breaded, unbreaded.
For the record, because I'm going to forget, I like the breaded steak tips at the Knuckle.
I took a bite of your breaded steak tips, and honestly, I think I got a mushroom.
No, you didn't.
A breaded mushroom. I think I did.
Okay.
Actually, a couple of nice bands at the Knuckle this time. Just in the afternoon, late afternoon.
If it looks like we were scared to death, like a couple of kids.
Yeah, and it wasn't crazy busy either. I mean, you
No.
could actually sit, have a drink.
Knuckle, cheer them on. Come on, get these people dancing.
But we did have some fun.
Yes.
We took the bus downtown, like Dale said. We took the bus downtown and went to the Iron Horse Saloon and saw...
We saw Wheeler Walker Jr. Iron Horse in Sturgis, waiting for Wheeler Walker Jr. I'm sure you've heard all the songs on TikTok.
I'm sure you have not.
I'm going to Graceland.
Most of you have, you just don't want to admit it. Not a huge crowd right now. I know. Yes, I'm older than 12 years old. And I know he writes, or he became famous because of the TikTok and the Drop 'Em Out song. He
Now,
did sing
in
that.
fairness,
He did sing that.
I had no idea who this person was until we went to his concert.
Sit on face 'cause I hate to picking around my mouth till your foot gets sticking out.
He makes he's made his fame with
Dirty songs.
dirty country songs, and they're funny, they're creative, and the first 10-15 minutes everybody laughed and was having a good time, but 2 hours of dirty country songs.
We also saw Hairball, the band.
That's one I did like. I enjoyed it. An 80s cover band. was a production, most definitely. But, I mean, they truly did play the songs. I thought they all did a good job.
Good job, guys. Good job, Hairball. We also went out to Full Throttle, where I bought more moonshine than I should have. The peach margarita shot. I hope it's good. I did try this one. Banana pudding.
Tried that.
Yeah, the banana pudding was good. Blackberry. Butter pecan. This was delicious. But wait, there's more. Peach moonshine. That was very good. Oh, this is the honey flavored whiskey. And this, see that? Oh my gosh, go away, B. You see the jalapenos? This is jalapeno vodka, along with pickle vodka, which I think will be great, and Bloody Marys. And we did have both of them mixed together, so that's how I think I'll make my Bloody Mary. There's also, oops, that came off, vanilla vodka. That is a wasp, you guys. That is a wasp. Vanilla moonshine. And last but not least, Michael Ballard's Full Throttle whiskey. Might have overdone it. A little bit.
So Full Throttle was Full Throttle. Full Throttle is good entertainment, though, especially people watching. It always is.
It always is. Full Throttle does not disappoint.
No, not at all. This is us drinking again.
Well, I promise that we don't drink 24/7.
We don't, that's true.
But I did.
And these are old fashions with what?
Old fashions with Full Throttle bourbon and Angostura bitters. Is that how you say that? Bitters and orange peel.
All right, cheers, everybody. We also went out to Deadwood, taking the bus the whole way, and lost all my money. I did not win at the casinos at Deadwood.
Yeah, Deadwood is a reason why you have a budget for your gambling. And when you go up to that, you stop.
Yeah.
That's called a biker furry. We did do good at the buffet, though. $29 buffet. I had 3 pieces of prime rib.
Yeah, you did.
It was good. Chicken was good. Mashed potatoes were good. We're talking a basic buffet here, but
Yeah.
it was good food. It was real good food. At the Silverton?
I believe that was at the Silverton. But Deadwood's still a fun little town.
The campground, once again, Hog Heaven, awesome place. We had a very nice campsite. We did have water and electricity, no sewer. So here is our campsite. We are camping with some friends, so we're able to turn the trailer in and face each other. There's the nice Africa Twin.
Now they do have sites with full hookups if you're interested in that. And then like Dale said, the one we had was just water and electricity. But they also have dry camping sites. There are showers available, as well as a bike wash available, and laundry on site.
Yeah, they do have a dump site. Did you just say that? There is a dump site where if you want to dump your own, you can do that as well. So if you want to take a portable tank. Hog Heaven has an outdoor bar that is open morning until I think 1:30, 2 o'clock in the morning.
Yes, they do have. One morning they had a mimosa, unlimited mimosas for
$10.
$10, something ridiculous. We went when they had the Bloody Mary bar. It's a serve yourself Bloody Mary bar. So good.
Yeah.
Zig zang, zing zang. It's a good Bloody Mary.
They have a restaurant down there. Well, restaurant. They have a food vendor that's really good. That is open all day long.
More like
as
a
well.
concession
Yeah,
stand.
concession stand.
They also have live bands there at night. And the bands I thought were pretty good.
Yeah. So, Dale, how much does it cost to go to Sturgis? Well, the campsite that we were at runs $771 for Wednesday through Saturday, the next Saturday. So that is what, 9 days? 9 days, 10 days? That includes the campsite and it includes wristbands, because for $20 a person per day, you have to have a wristband. So it's not that bad. I mean, if you guys have looked around other places, it's a pretty good deal, we think.
We also went out to the Jack Pine Gypsey's flat track races this time. You really enjoyed.
I did. I had a lot of fun. It was true flat track racing this time. They had some flat track bikes out there. I think they said they had 14 different classes. But the true flat track racing, it's exciting. It's pretty cool. I mean, there were a couple of times no one crashed. Good.
That's good.
But there was some good racing. It was fun, and it was right down from our campground, so real easy to get to.
We did see a couple of painted ladies this time, but not nearly as many as usual. I think it's because it was rainy and chilly, so
Had a little bit of a bee problem.
it was a wasp.
When the rain came, the bees
Wait, time out.
were all out in full force.
The wasps came out and they are yellow jackets. And I'm going to put a picture right here, and in the comments below, you let us know if it's a bee or a wasp. I believe it to be a yellow jacket.
Those of you that were in Sturgis know what I'm talking about, and you tell me.
They're yellow jackets.
Bee or wasp? I think they were pollinating. They were pollinating my beer all over the place is what they were doing.
It's a wasp.
Answers the question, yes, you can have fun even if you don't go for a motorcycle ride in Sturgis. So hey, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers.
We are 824 today, so if you've made it this far in the video, you might as well like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Stay tuned for the outtakes. Do I have a... Always makes me want it. But just stick to the TikTok Wheeler Walker.
And the first 10 minutes were kind of funny,
There were a lot of body parts in the song.
but I can't do a full 2 hours of drop them out, let me see those titties.
God.
Like the homeless.
No. That's not what I was going to say.
It's good old boys. Hey, I'm filming you.
Praise to the fire department. Thank you, fire department.
Yeah, we can't blame everything on you, can we?
No, you cannot.